You don't know.
But yes, sir. But to be real with you, bro, like I would like you today for this one show only. I need you to talk in the present because I know that you like to teach. You're one of them guys that you like to teach the youngers about history. You want to tell us about a lot of things, bro.
I'm one of the few youngers
I
that's
want
seen
you to
trophies.
tell me about now and the impact of AI. So where Chelsea is right now, bro. Talk to me about that. I don't want to know about Chelsea under Abramovich. He's gone, bro. The government got rid of him.
I don't really mention him like
Talk
that.
to me about Chelsea under Todd Boehly.
Do you think if Ange was using ChatGPT, you'd get more results?
Bro, talk to me about Chelsea under Todd.
You asked me about AI.
Yeah, bro. Tell me about Todd.
We rebuilt the whole squad. This is why we spend so much money.
And what are we getting for it? Because, bro, I'm being real, Yassan. I don't want you to feel offended.
No, you're all right.
It's hard for me to banter with you. Like, legit, it's hard for me to banter with you.
It's disrespectful.
It's not disrespectful, but it's like you're beneath me. That is
beneath you in age, bro. That's the only place I'm beneath you, bro. Nah. Okay, bro, if you watch Lewis's stream, how many medals have you seen?
All right, let's play dumb for a moment. What are you fighting for this season?
Just top 5, bro. Top 5.
Are you playing for any trophy?
And I'm not fighting for the top conference league either. It's literally just a walkabout.
And can I just ask, who are you playing in the next round of your cup? Who are you playing?
We spoke about this last week, bro. 12 in the Swedish league. I don't know the name, but we know. I don't know. I don't remember the name, bro.
Oh, bro.
Yeah.
How can you banter me when I'm fighting for a Champions League spot?
Bro, you're playing Bodo Glimt, bro, and you don't even know if you're winning. Bro, you're playing Bodo Glimt and you don't know if you're gonna win.
Bro, that game is light work. We know we're in the final.
So we're not gonna hear Kendrick Lamar nothing on the.
Can I just say something, Northside?
Or is Ange gonna be staring at the window?
People like to do this thing, yeah, but there's levels to this, and this is why, although Yasser's one of the mandem, there's levels even to the mandem, and let me tell you this: my club removed themselves from that competition. Removed themselves. You, man, are so shameless that you're going to go all the way to the final to play that idiot cup and pretend that it means something. That's shame. Bro, that means you, man, are
in the final. Isco and Anthony.
You and your players are actors, bro. There is nobody. That's why, Yasser, I'm surprised. Really, you're here to mediate me and Northside. You're here to mediate us, bro. You can't get involved.
Okay.
You're a mediator, bro. You need to do this. You need to do this. You need to be like, Northside, hold tight. He has a point here. Oh, Dej, hold tight. Northside has a point. Because your point, bro, nobody's listening to your point right now.
Okay.
You're telling me
you asked me.
You're telling me you might get 5th. Are you not ashamed? A whole Chelsea on the top.
Of course I'm ashamed, bro. But I'm going to be real. I'm going to do what you do and say, this is the reason why we're getting 5th, but Maresca, I'm not going to be able to get 5th. Listen, I'm hoping to get 5th, fam. Because if you see the run-ins, the teams we're playing on the way to get that 5th or 4th spot is a mad thing, bro. We got the hardest running. So for me to come on here and say we're going to slap everyone, you know what I mean? That's just, you might as well clip me off from now. You know what I'm saying? And just post it from now.
Hold on, this guy's been sitting here this whole time, yeah? We're 33 minutes in telling me Arteta getting us in the top 4, in the top 5, which this year, top 5 gets you Champions League.
Great job.
It's a great job.
You should be saying I'm doing a great job.
Chelsea now. Chelsea is not there. They're not in the top 5.
But he's fighting for top 5. If he gets that and you under your basis, your parameter, that's an achievement, Dej.
Yeah, and that's phase 2, phase 1 with this manager, by the way. That's phase 5. You're saying he's done a great job.
No, can we?
You'd rather. You've said your own words, Dej, yeah. You said your own words. You would rather Champions League qualification over Carabao Cup, FA Cup, all the other dusty cups. So if he doesn't win the conference, by your own logic, if he gets in the top 5 and gets Champions League football, under your own logic, it's been a success.
Bro, if he gets top 5, he's done all right. But really, what he should be getting is top 4. No, bro, let's be real. 5 is a bit much.
But it's the same thing.
I'm old. Let me tell you, Wagwan, about me. if you guys don't know. I'm of the era where I only want the champions playing Champions League football, if I'm being brutally honest. If you finish second, you shouldn't be in the Champions League. So how am I going to be here respecting the fact that they gave us an extra spot and then you got that extra spot? Are you mad?
Yeah, because you celebrated it.
How many times did you get into the Champions League?
No, but you celebrated it
hold
under
on.
Poch, though. You celebrated it under Poch. You didn't win the league.
Yeah, that's what I was going to say.
We got fourth.
And played Champions League.
And you said you wouldn't even take second place.
So
how do you celebrate Poch?
I hear that. What I'm trying to say, bro, is that there is no way a Chelsea fan can chat this season. Even fifth is shameful.
No, but by your logic, yeah, why do you put Poch in such a high regard? You just said that you guys should be aiming for more. You've been calling everyone dusty. Your manager, your ex-manager in Poch got you in the Champions League, which you celebrated. But then by your own logic, you said teams that haven't won the league should have been in the Champions League. So why did you celebrate that? Because that goes against
bro, that is me and my own personal. If you're not a champion, you shouldn't be in Champions League. Or they should name it another competition, like a European competition. Shouldn't be champions because half the teams in there ain't champions. Let's be real. That's all I'm saying, bro. However, if we're going to do this idiot thing where we're going to allow top four to be in there, even though they've not won a trophy, and we're going to call it Champions League, then I'm here for it. And I can see that if Yasser wants to be shameless and shake his bum for finishing fifth and getting a Champions League, then he's a disgrace.
It's called hitting a target and then wanting to go above.
And the reason why Yasser's a disgrace, he wanted to do this thing of under Abramovich, my sugar daddy, where I was shaking my bum and he was throwing dollar bills at my forehead. When he wanted to do that, I don't lie. That's what happened.
You know what it reminded me of? Remember have you ever seen that clip of the guy dashing the peas on the girls?
Bro, man's calling you Cardi B, bro.
I know. You wish Daniel Levy dashed peas on you. You take that hat off, bro. You know what I'm saying? There's a lot of space to dash the peas on.
Bro, these man, when they want to transfer, he's dashing coupons, bro. You know the Tesco coupons and that. The one you get from
Beyonce tickets.
You know the Metro paper.
And you know
the Metro paper coupons that you
the reason why
I said the end dubs tickets and that. You know?
And the reason why I'm not giving you the time of day is simply because you've gone from being at the top. You've been at the top. You've been at the pinnacle. Do you get me? And now you're here shaking your bum, hoping for fifth and hoping for Europa.
So you want me to go from where I was?
Ashamed, bro? Are you not ashamed?
Okay. You want me to go from where I was, with like a jetpack to the roof? Aren't you supposed to take a ladder, bro?
What I'm trying to work out, Yasser, legit. And Northside, if I've spoken out of line, I apologize to you and Yasser. I'm trying to work out how you get out of bed in the morning. Bro, like, how do you motivate yourself? Like, even like to stream. When you stream, what do you say?
What do I say?
Yeah. Hey, Chelsea fans, we hope to get fifth. What is it? Because that ain't Chelsea, bro. That ain't Chelsea. Even me, as a Spurs fan, I know what I want for your club.
Yeah, you come out and say we have the longest bar in the stadium.
There's nothing you can say, bro.
We have a South Korean shop upstairs. Yeah, I'm saying you can race F1 cars downstairs. That's what you man can say. You know them ones. You can do what the Big Six done the other day, go-karting and that downstairs. Bro, you got the little Westfield thing, fam, and you're trying to flex the stadium, bro. That's the only thing you got. I know why the Northside thing, with the Arsenal fans, whatever you were saying, these man ain't seen their team win trophies, so they're fiending now because they just seeing something, innit? They've never seen no lights. And then suddenly someone managed to pay their electricity bill and they saw a bit of light. They gassed. You get it? Yeah. My light's been on. Just because it's been off for a bit, I'm waiting for it to come back on again.
But your light ain't coming back on, bro. Not on the Todd.
How do you know?
Because, bro, can you not see that you, man, are a hot mess?
My brother, I've been telling you, you're down below. Like Roddy Rich, bro, you're down below.
But you said this, though. If Tottenham win the Europa League, didn't they have a better season than you?
Better season? I think you've had a more successful season in terms of like trophy wise, not better season, blood.
So that means we're not below you then, if that happens, yeah.
You're below me on the table. That you could remember. You were telling us if you're second and if you're first.
We're currently below you until we win. Is that what you want to do? Fine, all right. bro. Look, in
Because-
a month.
If you look at the table, yeah,
a month from now,
mm-hmm.
we will know who's had the better season between me and you.
Yeah.
A month from now.
Yeah.
And I'm telling you,
Yeah.
should my club do what it needs to do, there is nothing you can tell me.
Yeah, but there's a bigger chance, even though the trophy is easier, there's a bigger chance that I'll have a trophy at the end of the season and you don't.
I would.
There's a bigger chance that you drop a mixtape by the end of the season.
I'm being real, Yasser. I wouldn't publicly say that.
Man said I wouldn't publicly say that. Bro, listen, Deji, yeah? I don't have... Listen, it's such a dead flex.
I wouldn't
don't
publicly
like saying
tell people we've won a Europa Conference League.
Yeah, but I wouldn't want to say... But I'm trying to tell you, when it comes to what we have this season in terms of the competitions we're in...
If I was you,
yeah,
just talk about your league position. Because I think every time...
That's still a competition, bro. You have to be there to win it.
Every time you mention the Europa Conference League, it makes your achievements this season even worse.
Listen, you have to be in that competition. Sometimes there's a price to pay. Because we didn't perform well last season, we got knocked down, and now we're in this position, yeah? If you can win anything that you can win, you go and do it, innit?
Oh, so what you're
okay, wait. So, wait. Is it more embarrassing if we didn't win the Conference League than if we won it?
Bro, I think unfortunately there are situations in life where you're damned if you do and you're damned if you don't. And I think that's one, and I think you're in one of them. I think
it's one of those situations that if you think that it's straightforward, like if you're in that competition, you should just win it.
I think the Europa Conference League, you're damned if you do and you're damned if you don't. It's just an unfortunate situation. And I can't lie, bro. I wouldn't want to be in your shoes.
Okay, like, North. Look, we're in this competition now, yeah? We're in this Conference League thing. Would you cost me more if we got kicked out of this competition or if you won it?
Damned if you do, damned if you don't.
I'll cost you more if you get kicked out. If you don't win
exactly. So just being in it, you expect man to just win it straight up. That should be
I'll be real with you, Yasser. I'm going to say it again the third time. I think that competition that you're in is so poor that you're damned if you do and you're damned if you don't.
I reckon you're the only person that can't win it.
We removed ourselves from it, bro.
Because you knew you can't win it.
Bro, like we've got, look, I'll be real with you and I'll say it again.
I thought he was going to say we got a bigger fist to fry.
I will say though, Yasser, you are doing a valiant job in trying to convince yourself that you've got some sort of meaning towards this end of the season. For me personally, I'm just looking at Chelsea's league position to know if you've had a good season or not. I would never publicly mention, even if secretly you're feeling it, that competition. I wouldn't publicly mention it. And if you want me not to mention it moving forward, I won't mention it to you either. Out of respect for you, because we're better.
We don't need